What's up, traders? I'm Mark Bauman. Welcome back to our channel. And if you haven't already, go to starttrading.com, take some free lessons. And before we get started today on those free lessons, leave this video a thumbs up or hit that subscribe button right over here and hit the notification bell so you can get notices whenever we post new videos. Now, as I'm sure you have noticed, cryptocurrencies have been down in recent weeks, doing a 50% tank in Bitcoin, but things are starting to look back up, or looking up for Bitcoin, thanks to El Salvador, and India is reportedly thinking about regulating the cryptocurrency as an asset class, walking back on a bill which originally sought to ban Bitcoin altogether. Now, this is a big deal because last week, the El Salvadorian government voted to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender, making them the first country to do so. What does that mean? Time to get it. That's what it means. This country's residents can now use Bitcoin as a national currency, and now many traders are torn over how this will impact the value of Bitcoin. On one hand, people fear this can contribute to corruption in the El Salvadorian government, which is very common in that government apparently. And on the other hand, investors are optimistic this could be a stepping stone for Bitcoin to become a globally recognized currency, if it's not already, hoping other countries will follow in their footsteps. This could mean good things for Bitcoin, so you may want to wait to sell. But don't just take our word for it. What are your thoughts? Why don't you share them below in the comments and leave them and hit that like button while you're at it. And on the topic of Bitcoin, it is now at $40,700. It had a 10% jump in the last 3 days. And which is remarkable is people are equating it to Elon Musk's tweet, but at the same time, the El Salvadorian government information was coming out. So for me personally, I really hope it wasn't the Musk tweet that generated this bounce. I really hope it's the government adoption, because that would be just counterintelligent and counterproductive for the currency if a guy can tweet about it that is going to use it to accept money for their cars versus an entire government. But that's just my 2 cents on that topic. So if you haven't already, make sure you go and take our free courses. And perfect timing right now, before this run-up is going to happen this week, which if there's going to be a run-up, it's going to happen either tonight or Wednesday. If not, it's going to just fizzle into the weekend, and then we won't have another run until probably Sunday night, Monday. That's just how cryptocurrencies work. It's just when the timing of these whales decide to just dive in, or the psychology of money kicks into people's brain, goes, wait a second, I got to get on this, and the FOMO kicks in. So if you haven't already, sign up for a Naga account, naga.com. You can find the links below in our SIG. If you're a EU user, if you're outside the US, Naga is fantastic. And eToro is for if you're in the US. There's also a link in our SIG for that. The reason they're fantastic is not just because you can buy cryptocurrencies, blah, 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 and we get a sign up tip for you watching the video. Go ahead and sign up. You help the channel. Those are all great. The best part is you can buy cryptocurrencies, you can follow other traders, and you can set trailing stop losses. A lot of the other platforms, a lot of the other wallets do not let you automatically sell your currencies out of position, and it's frustrating. So you want to be able to copy someone who's actively trading unless you are there every day 24/7, because it's an active market. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and you make a lot of money just trading the market. And that's how a lot of these people make their money, just waiting for the swings. Otherwise, buy and hold and wait till it shoots up to 100,000 or 1.5 million or whatever these people are claiming. But it probably hit over 100,000 this year, and then probably another 200,000 to 300,000 the next 2 years. So it's not bad to buy and hold, but if you're trying to trade the market, I suggest you do a copy trading platform and don't try to get into it unless you are prepared to do that actively every day. So that's my 2 cents. Thank you for watching. As always, starttrading.com. I'm Mark Bauman.